We're now going to look at maintaining a system, which is kind of the last stage of system development, which takes place in the testing, evaluating, and maintaining stage of the system development life cycle. So what we're going to understand is once the evaluation process is completed, a strategy for maintaining the system over the long term needs to be developed. Maintenance is the process of ensuring that the system stays both efficient and functional during its lifetime. If an issue arises within the system after a period of use, a strategy needs to be in place to rectify the issue and bring the system back to working order. This may involve modifying parts of the system where problems are identified or hardware issues being replaced, while software related issues possibly being updated or some sort of update being pushed out to the system from an online server. We live in the era of updates, and you'd see that with your apps all the time on your phone, that these common updates are given out from the suppliers of the actual software, and it's always for bug fixes or managing issues. So it's quite common updates be pushed out for software. Also, it's important to recognize at this stage the importance of the operation manual here, as once the system development has concluded, the operations manual is the first point of contact for managing issues. So the operation manual should have troubleshooting guides, should have procedures, should have diagrams, and anything that will aid the actual participants in using the system, because you as the project team are no longer there. System development is concluded. Okay, so they need a point of contact for hopefully managing themselves. And the better created that the operations manual is, the more likely the participants will be able to manage issues themselves and not have to recontact the project team for managing the issues. So essentially, we need to highlight the importance of maintenance as a long-term strategy. And where does it take place in the system development lifecycle? So we already know about the waterfall model of the system development lifecycle, as we go through it. Maintenance occurs in this last stage, and this is where system development is concluded. So basically, the project team would leave here, but they need this strategy in place so that maintenance can take over. We're leaving a maintenance strategy in place, a strong operations manual, what to do for maintaining hardware, and hardware replacements, and how software can be updated if there are issues with software in the long term. So I hope this video gives you a good understanding of the importance of maintenance as a part of system development, in being that it relates to the long-term efficiency and functionality of the information system over the long term after the system development has concluded.